In this quick video, I want to show you how to change the ear tips of your Powerbeats Pro 2. In the case, okay, in the box, it came with all these different ones and it's quite cool. You even get some extra small. So what if you want to use some of these? So let me get a large one over here. All right. To remove the existing ear tip, you simply need to pull it with 2 fingers, okay? You won't break anything simply by pulling it out. It will get out of the way. Take your new one, and I have a very quick tip on how this should be done. So take over here and turn it upside down, okay? So you see, whoops, okay, like this, you see? And once you have this, pinch it, take your earbuds and simply align. It's much easier to do it this way, I found. Okay, so align it and then simply twist and push until you see the silicone is over the small tip of the earbud, and then you can put them back, and this is about it. You can start wearing them. You can do the same thing to remove. It's not really useful, but you see, you can put them in this position and then pull if it's easier for you. But overall, this is it. You see how easy it is to change them every time you need new ones. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, check my Amazon affiliate links down below if you want to get a pair of earbuds or anything else. You support my channel this way. I'll see you in the next video.